Hariom students, I am Pushpanjali from CBSE English classes. Today we are going to discuss writing skill. In the writing skill, today I will tell you how to write article writing. What is article writing? An article is a piece of writing written for large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals so as to make some difference to the world. Now I will tell you the marking scheme, CBSE marking scheme for class 12th. In this article writing, dear student, you can achieve 10 marks. Now here 10 marks, article writing carries 10 marks. 1 mark you will get for format. How to write format? In the format you have to write heading. After that you have to leave one line. Then you will write the writer's name. Writer's name you will write your name? No. You will write the name given in the article. Okay. So for 1 mark you will get for the format and writer's name. Then content. 4 marks you will get for the content, that what subject you are getting. For writing an article, what subject you are getting, that you have to mention. Expression 5 marks, and this 5 marks is also distributed in 2.5 and 2.5. So 2.5 you will get for grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling. That your grammar mistake should be not there, appropriate words you have used or not, spelling mistake is not or is there or not. For that you will get 2.5 marks. Then coherence and relevance of ideas and style. For 2.5 marks you will get for this, in which you have to use simple words and simple statements so that the article should be understood to all. Now marking scheme for class 10 students. So they are having article of 8 marks. Their article carries 8 marks. Format 1 mark. Then here content 1 mark means what? Half marks for the title and half marks for the writer's name. After that content. Content also carries 4 marks. Same way in class 12th and class 10th same. Content carries 4 marks. Expression 3 marks. In that also got 3 marks got divided into 2 part, that is 1.5 and 1.5. 1.5 you will get for coherence and relevance of the ideas and style. That how simply you are writing your article, anybody is understanding or not, like that you have to use the simple statement in that. Grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spelling. So there should be no any grammatical error. 1.5 marks will be cut for your grammatical error, appropriate words you have used or not, spelling mistakes are there or not, for that 1.5 marks. So I think it is very clear children for class 10th marking scheme for article writing, which carries 8 marks, and class 12th it carries 10 marks. Now see how to write an article. The topic of the article should be unique and relevant. The article has to get attention. It has to be interesting. It should be not boring and all. The article should be interesting. It has to be easy to read. Now when anybody is reading your article, it should be in a very easy language. The reader is identified. Now who is the reader? That should be identified at least. Find the main goal of writing an article. The goal can be anything from the providing information, entertainment and advice for comparing, etc. Now here in this it is told that how to write an article means whatever information is provided now, according to that you have to write an article. Some extra information if you want to give, then you can add. The title must be eye-catching, clear and interesting. The title which you are writing on the top heading, that should be eye-catching and interesting. Like when we are looking at the newspaper, some interesting title is there, na? So we are compelled to read that, isn't it? The introduction of the starting paragraph must be highly attentive. Now, when we are starting anything to write, if anybody will read our article, then the first paragraph should be highly attentive. We will write that anybody will be get attracted toward that. Now use vocabulary skill or try to use some interrogative words for the start. Now, while writing an article, always use proper grammar, spelling and proper punctuations. So, always pay attention that when you are writing article, grammar mistakes should be not there. Spelling mistakes should be not there. Punctuation, proper punctuation marks should be used there. So, vocabulary power, your vocabulary skills should be strong and use vocabulary skill there. Keep the introduction of the topic eye-catching, interesting and short. That should be not very lengthy. When we are giving the heading, that should be not very lengthy. It should be eye-catching only of, you can say 4 to 5 words or one sentence. It's enough. Discuss the opinion and the matter of an organized and descriptive manner. Now, how to write article writing? There is also some format for that, like formal, informal letter we have discussed. There were some format for that. For article writing is also format. You can see 1 marks we are getting for format na. So, see how to write. So, heading we have to get first of all. Heading means title. Whatever the article we are writing, there should be eye-catching heading. After that, we have to leave one line and then we have to write writer's name. Writer's name, we will not write our name. We will write the name given in the article. Suppose that you are Jaya Jai, you have to write an article. So, you will write there Jaya or Jai. You will not write your own name. Now, third, body, the main part of the article to paragraph 3. Now, the article is distributed in at least 2-3 paragraphs, in which first of all you have to pay the first paragraph should be attentive. In the second paragraph you have to give the reasons for your writing the article information provided that you have to write, and in the third paragraph you have to conclusion ending paragraph of the article with the opinion of recommendation, anticipation or an appeal. That should be the ending. First paragraph and last paragraph should be attentive. That should be attractive. Now, see the format I have provided. Title of the article. That means after that you have to leave one line, then writer's name. Writer's name, the name given in the article, not your own name. Students are having confusion that whose name we will write here. So, never you have to use your own name. If you will write your own name, then your marks will be cut. So, write the name provided in the article. Body, main part of the article. Just now we have discussed introductory paragraph in which we have to give the introduction first of all. That should be more attractive. Now descriptive paragraph. Then additional information if you want to give. If it is needed, then you can give the additional information also. Now lastly we have to conclude. Then in concluding ending part of the article, and that should be also interesting. Now see some examples I have given you to write an article. How to write an article? One example if you will see now, then it will be very easy for you to write, because it carries 10 marks for class 12th and 8 marks for class 10th. Hard work and punctuality are essential for a happy and successful life. They help in meeting the desired target of our life. You are Kavya Kanha. Write an article in 150 to 200 words highlighting the importance of hard work, punctuality in the student's life. Now you can see, dear children, it is said that you are Kavya Kanha and you have to write an article. So first of all, according to the format, we have given the topic heading. What is the heading? Importance of hard work and punctuality in student's life. That should be eye-catching. You can see here, it is eye-catching. In the capital letters also you can write. After that you have to leave one line and you have to write that you are Kavya or Kanha, whatever. So here I am Kavya here. So I have written by Kavya, class 12th. So first of all, we have written the first paragraph, that is the introductory paragraph, that where we have to give the importance of hard working, punctuality, and in the second paragraph in deep information we have to give what are the effects of the hard working, how we can achieve our goal by doing so. In the last paragraph we have concluded that what is the importance of hard work, isn't it? And never write in this article writing in the last your faithfully, your sincerely. These things are not used in article. That is the part of formal letter, informal letter. Here in article writing, nothing you have to write. In the last paragraph, you have to end with full stop. That's enough. Nothing else you have to mention. So you can see one more example I have given. In almost all big cities in the countries, there is a mushroom growth of slum where people are living in inhuman conditions. Write an article in 150 to 200 words about this problem, suggesting steps to deal with it. You are Komal Karthik. Now you can see here the topic is given, then how to write again. Mushroom growth of slums in big cities. Eye-catching heading is given. After that you have to write, leave one line, then you have to write by Komal, isn't it? So after that what you will do? I have given the heading also and I have given my name also. My name, not the name given in the article. So here 1 marks I will get for this format. Now after that introductory part, first paragraph I have given the introduction. Then in the second paragraph whatever information we have got in the article that we have to mention. And in the last paragraph we have to conclude it. Getting, children? Now see one more example I have given. You are Raman Ruchika, write an article in about 150 to 200 words. Your school magazine on the topic life without modern gadgets. Now you all know life without modern gadgets is not possible nowadays. Every hand is having a mobile phone. Without mobile phone we are thinking that we are incomplete. So see how it is written, life without modern gadgets. So eye-catching heading we have to give. The heading is eye-catching and by Ruchika. So writer's name is by Ruchika and here we will get 1 marks for this. Then again you have to write introductory part in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph the information given, the how useful the modern gadgets are in nowadays, in this today's life, in the modern era. And in the last paragraph you have to conclude, nothing else you have to write. So see children, some more examples I have given, my goals and my plans. Okay, importance of your life, that like that I have given. So you can see my goals and my plans, how we have to write article writing, because it is a very vital part of writing skill. It carries 8 marks for class 10th and 10 marks for class 12th. So if you will touch this question, very easily you can achieve 9 marks, 9.5 marks. Okay.